4 mois, nous travaillons sur un projet, ouvrir officiellement notre structure, la LZZ, en ayant pour ambition de marquer l'eSport avec nos joueurs. C'est pourquoi nous recherchons des joueurs talentueux, ambitieux, qui seront à l'écoute.
Ainsi que du personnel impliqué, également des monteurs leaders, sans oublier des graphistes. Mais sur un retour, nous avons des coachs, des joueurs talentueux, du staff. Mais nous manquons encore de monteurs. Si cela vous intéresse, contactez-nous sur notre Discord qui sera en bio. Et n'hésitez pas à partager la vidéo.
Squad full of fucking killers, I'm a killer too. Sending shots, nigga. Everybody get pop, nigga. The people run, nigga. We send shots, nigga. Hey, 6'9" this and 6'9" that. Niggas on my dick and on my yak. These niggas looking for me, you can hit my jack. I done dropped my address, I know it's 6'9" that. I'll fuck you. Nah, to his back like he Baka. Not nice with the fucking topper. Pop him. Scope on the nigga who shot ya. Drop him. Somebody call his fucking doctor. Think I've been a pussy, bet that she get gushy. She want the whole game, bustin' all in her pussy. I watch her drip while I get my dick licked. Little sick bitch, lick it on my dick tip. She a freak hoe, fucker, she on beast mode. Arch your back, put your hands on your knees, ho. I'm on beast mode, shoot you through your peephole. Said he won't smoke, I don't really see it though. These niggas said it hurted me, I ain't heard you. Get the fuck up out my fucking face before I murder you. Bitch niggas always jacking blood, but I know they fool. Whole squad full of fucking killers, I'm a killer too. Selling shots, nigga. Everybody